We're making my favorite ice cream today in 15 minutes with only 4 simple ingredients. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today we're making my favorite ice cream. And the best part is, it only uses 4 simple ingredients, no eggs, no heavy cream, and it only takes 15 minutes. So grab your pen and paper. Here come those easy ingredients. You will need 1 can of Eagle Brand or sweetened condensed milk, 2/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 cups of evaporated milk. Now, 1 can is 1.5 cups, so you'll need 2, but you won't need it all. We might as well jump right in. So get your Eagle Brand or your off-brand. And you'll need a spatula because this is the richest stuff since sugar was invented. All your ingredients should be cold, except for your sweetened condensed milk and your water. Now the hardest part of this recipe is mixing in those cold ingredients with this thick sweetened condensed milk. So what you do is put your water in the microwave for about a minute and pour that in and use your whisk and just carefully mix it in and thin out that sweetened condensed milk. Oh, and it starts to smell, just slap your mama good. Now you're ready. So set that aside, set this aside. Go ahead and get your tablespoon of vanilla. Put it right in. I got a little wah, but wah, who cares? I'll give that a little mix. And then pour in my milk, the evaporated milk that is. And I kept that in the refrigerator overnight, so it'd be cold. What you need is one of these handy Cuisinart ice cream makers, and make sure that your freezing bowl has been in the freezer at least overnight. And you put your little dasher in, upside down. You put the little top on, which holds the dasher and also acts as extra insulation. But this is not a product review. What you do need to be sure that you do is, as soon as you take that freezing bowl out of the freezer, you need to use it immediately because you're living on borrowed time, because this uses no ice, no salt. It really is easy. Now, the other thing you need to know is this will start freezing immediately when you pour it into that. Make sure this is on before you pour, and then we won't sit for 15 minutes, but through the magic of television, you'll have a time-lapse video watching this, and it's really fun. So here we go. Just pour it right in. One reason that you kept all of your ingredients in the refrigerator, like your evaporated milk, that kind of thing, is so that it would be cold. You want to give it all the extra help that you can. Alright, time for the time lapse. I only have one thing to say.
That was easy.
That was easy. Take the top off. And look at that. It came all the way up on the dasher. And it's nice and creamy. Now check this out. It almost passes it almost passes the blizzard test. Look at this. 15 gives you a nice soft serve, and 25 gives you this much, which really came up. And just in case you didn't see that well, vlogger style. Look at that. Yummo. So let's say you've eaten all you can. And now what do? You take it and you start putting it into a nice container that is suitable for freezing. Then, let's pretend you have it all in there. Put your lid on, put that in your freezer, and come back when you're ready for more. Now, let's say it's too firm when you get it out. It's ice cream, and just like other ice creams, if you set it out for a few minutes, it'll be nice and creamy once again, and you just stir it up. Kids love this, and they love this. So, the machine that is. If you like this recipe for super quick, super easy, and super delicious ice cream that you can make with only 4 simple ingredients and no eggs and no heavy cream, because who keeps heavy cream in the house, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experiences with this luscious, creamy recipe and what else you'd like to see in the kitchen. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. We're making my favorite ice cream today and only... We're making my favorite ice cream... We're making my favorite ice cream today and... We're making my favorite ice cream to... Stop yelling. And easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower, and I don't like this. We might as well jump right in. Well, no, we won't. And also, nothing. And super delicious ice cream. Give it a thumbs up. Oh, no, no, no. Heavy cream, because who keeps heavy cream? Not even me.